Hello, I welcome you. In last lecture, we talked about what is CURA and how does it work. In this lecture, we will learn how to download CURA and how to install it. CURA is maintained by 3D printer manufacturer Ultimaker, and as we know from their hardware, they are perfectionists. For those that just want to print, change a few quality and speed options, then in CURA it's all carefully laid out and ready to go. So you just need to go to Google and you have to type CURA here, or you can type Ultimaker CURA. In first window you can see powerful, easy to use 3D printing software Ultimaker CURA. So you just need to click it. Then you will see here download for free. This is the website of Ultimaker CURA. This is totally free. You don't need to pay anything. You just need to go on this website Ultimaker CURA and you need to download it. Here you can download. As I am making video today, it's CURA version 4.12. CURA is regularly updating its version. It started from 4.1, 4.2, now 4.12, and it works on all common OS platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux. The minimum system requirements for CURA are Windows Vista or newer, Mac OS X or 10.7 or newer, Linux Ubuntu 15.4, Fedora 23, OpenSUSE 13.2 and Arch Linux or newer. You can download and run older versions if your computer does not fulfill the requirements for the newest version. So here I am using Windows, so I will click here on Windows and suddenly you will see your download has been started. So here you can see the CURA has been downloaded. Now you have to install it, so just double click it. The setup will be open. You have to do next, then I agree, then next, here again next. Here you will see that it is asking for some what type of file formats you will accept in CURA. So you can click like open 3D CTF, and whatever files you want to be open in your CURA you can select. By the way, STL is defaultly selected, so if you will not select all of them, it's okay. And if you want to run different files also like X3D, GLB, you can select it all and then click on the install. So software is installing. You have to wait till the installation is been completed. Within 1 to 2 minutes your software will be ready to use. Now it has completed. Now you need to click on the finish, and once you will finish, you can see the program is loading. Here get started, just click to get started and agree with user agreement, and then next, skip, and you are ready to go. So in next video we'll talk about how to add your 3D printer to the CURA software, so that whatever setting you will do in CURA, it will be run exactly in your 3D printer. Thank you. If you want to learn complete 3D printing and make a career in this field, you can click to the link given in description box and start your journey now. In this course, you will learn 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, from start to finish. This course includes design of 3D models, slicing of 3D model, 3D scanning, types of 3D printers, STL file formats, post-processing, 3D printing materials, and many more, along with assignments and quizzes. At the end of the course, you will get a certificate which will help you for your job interviews. The prices of course is so minimal that everyone can afford. So see you inside the course. Thank you.